Hey guys, so tonight we are talking about gifts for graduates. Now, as I say that, these items would be good for not just graduates, but really it's kind of good for that age group. So, teenagers into like mid 20s and such, and obviously well beyond in both directions. But we're kind of focusing on that because it is graduate time. So, I thought we'd look at some of these items. So first, I'm going to show you a couple of wallets. If you know anything about graduates, they tend to wear a lanyard with a little pouch or something on it. And these are some options that can kind of fulfill that. The first is the Clip and Zip wallet. It has it has a zipper pouch like part where you can open it and put change or receipts or whatever. And then it does have a snap open part, good firm snap. It's got this for the ID, and if you didn't know, this hole is so that you can stick your finger in and pull the ID out. It helps to get the ID back out. Then it's got the little card slots. There's two of them here. These are just gift cards I happen to have sitting here. And they fit right in there. And it's got two of those slots there, so you can fit, but you could easily fit here. There's two gift cards. You can easily fit more than one gift card in either of these slots. So, sorry, it's hard to do it from that angle. So, all right. See, you can put, that's two, and there's still room for more. So you can obviously put multiple cards. And it has the little clasp here. All right. And we do have this like army canvas type green, as well as 5 other prints, and they're $28. Other one is a smaller one. Now, you can see the Clip and Zip is a smaller wallet, but it does have a little bit of bulk to it. This one's very thin, more pouch-like, like the other things they use. It has a zipper opening here, and again, cards fit very comfortably in there. You can see that's 2, and you could easily put more or cash or whatever in there. And it zips shut there, and then it has 2 card slots there, so it's easy for them to carry maybe an ID and a debit card and probably their campus ID and their driver's license and maybe a debit card, and then keep cash in there. So just a small amount of things. And again, it has the little clip. And this is the Light Traveler wallet. There are 2 different colors available online, but I do have other colors, including this pretty blue, available in my stock. So if you're looking for a different color than what's available online, make sure you reach out, and I'd be happy to help you find the right one for you. The other thing I want to show you is we have 2 strap options, okay? We have the wristlet, which they both have like the clasp on it, but it has the clasp like that. Sorry, I didn't take all of the tissue paper off, but you can kind of see it there. And it's a snap. So you can actually snap this around things like a cart handle or whatever, things like that, and to hold on to them. And either one, it would clasp onto either one of these there, or same kind of thing on here. And again, this is the wristlet. It comes in multiple colors, so that's an option. The other is the smaller, it's like a keyring wristlet or thing. It won't fit around something, but it has a keyring on the one end and has a clasp on the other. So you have options on this one. So you could use this clasp to hook onto the ring like this. This is hard to do from this angle. There we go. The hook onto there. And then this one could hook on to a backpack or something else, so it can kind of hang in there and be held tightly. So there are those options as well for either of these wallets, okay? The next is a backpack, because even if you just want to be hands-free, even if you're not carrying textbooks, backpacks are handy and they're very trendy right now. So this is the Journey backpack. It has, it's very rectangular in shape, but it has a zipper pocket here, nice and deep on the front. It's got a ring, which I love because I have a tendency to take my keys and just throw them into my bag, and then I can't find them. I can hook them onto here, and when I go into a store or whatever, that's much better. The handles on the back are nice and cushiony, so they feel comfortable on your shoulders. They sit squarely on your shoulders. Plus, you can see they're nice and reinforced. The handles are good and sturdy. They're going to stay on there for you. And they're sturdy here and they're adjustable. So it can sit squarely, give you a hands-free option, always a good thing. There are 2 pockets on the sides. Sorry for the sound. And you can see it fits. This is a big water bottle. This is, I think, a 24 ounce. Fits very comfortably in there. And there's another one on the other side. So maybe your phone on one side so you can easily slide your hand in, whatever. That is an option. It has the 2 handles on the top. Zipper on the top, obviously. Then it has this open pocket. You hold it here. Here, that's a zipper pocket. And that's actually a thermal, so you could keep snacks or whatever in there. This is one of our more expensive options, I will tell you this. It's available in 2 prints, plus this soft camo, which while this is out of stock, it should be back in middle of the month, so middle of May, and they're $88. But don't ever forget, if you want one of these more expensive items, say get yourself some accessories or the person you're purchasing for, or get multiple gifts, and then have this, spend $50 on other products, and then get this for only $44 instead of $88. So that's a good way to get something, one of our more expensive items like this, for a better deal. All right, now we're going to talk laundry. Clothes, I have one that just graduated college, one that's going off to college, and clothes are just part of it. You know, they have to carry the clothes in the laundry room, all kinds of things like that. Even if they just move out to an apartment, oftentimes they have to take their laundry someplace. So first we have the stand tall bin, and you can see it stands up pretty well. This is actually my oldest. She had it for 4 years at college, and you can see it's still in very good shape. So that tells you they hold up really well. This particular black print, again, it's 4 years old, isn't available, but we just have the charcoal crosshatch, which is very similar. And you see I personalized it. That's always nice. It makes a nice extra when you're doing a gift especially. It has 2 handles, one on each side, good long handles that you can put over your shoulder, and they're reinforced so that they can carry what's in it. Now, here's what's cool about it. So nice and deep, holds lots of laundry. The way it stands up is it has these bars in all 4 corners, and you can slide them in and out. So it has a Velcro tab that covers the top of the pole, okay? So there's one in each of the corners, and it makes it stand up. But when they're not using the bags, say they come home for summer and they need to store it, they pull those poles out, this collapses, and it goes into storage without a problem. Again, this is the stand tall bin. It comes in 4 different prints. One of them is the charcoal crosshatch, which is very similar to this. Not exact, but similar. And it's $48. All right, the next one that's very similar, and I'm going to hold these next to each other for you so you can see. They are about the same size. They're just 2 different ideas of the same thing, okay? So here's the stand tall bin. This one's called the Move It All bag. So, and you can see they're about the same size, okay? Difference is, well, it doesn't have the poles. It has a, more of a, I think it's nylon fabric. So it's just kind of a stiffer fabric, okay? But it has a cinch top, which is nice. It has a pocket in the front to put things like dish or laundry soap and things like that, dryer sheets and stuff. Keep that in the front. It has a handle here that can hang it on the wall, and it's got reinforced and adjustable backpack straps, so they can slip it on their back to carry it around. It is personalizable. They just do it on the inside of this pocket, so it is personalizable too. And again, this one's called the Move It All bag. It's available in 3 prints, including this one and the soft camo too, and it's $48. So there's just a few ideas if you've got somebody going off to college, or you need to buy a gift for somebody in college, or just someone in that age group for a birthday or something. If you need help finding the perfect gift though, and none of these kind of speak to you, please reach out. I have items in my stock you can see back here, and then there's always things like this wallet where I have them in other colors in my stock that are not currently available. or I can go looking or help you just find the perfect item for your person. So thank you so much. Have a great evening. Have a great weekend. Bye.